In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your account on Surveymonkey. First things first, let's navigate to the Surveymonkey website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on Login. For those of you who've linked your Google account, click on Google and choose the account you have associated with Surveymonkey. It's a straightforward process that connects directly through your Google account, making the login process quick and secure. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Your next step is to head over to Projects. This section is designed to show you all your ongoing or completed projects, but we're on a different mission today. Now, look for your profile on the page. It might be located in the upper right corner or within a drop-down menu depending on the interface. Once you find it, click on it. This should bring up a few options related to your account settings and preferences. From there, you're going to want to select My Account. This might seem like just another step, but it's actually taking us closer to our goal. My Account is where all the magic happens, from changing your password to adjusting your email preferences. As we're digging deeper, the next stop is Linked Accounts. This section shows all the external accounts you've linked to your Surveymonkey account. It's an overview of where your Surveymonkey account has its tentacles, so to speak. In linked accounts, you'll see the option to unlink. This is particularly useful if you've connected your Surveymonkey to social media or other platforms and want to remove those connections. But remember, our main task is to remove your Surveymonkey account entirely. So after you've managed those linked accounts, look for the Remove Account button. This is a big step, and I'd advise you to take a moment to ensure that you're ready to say goodbye to your Surveymonkey account. Remember, this action is irreversible, so make sure you've saved or exported any data you want to keep. Clicking on Remove Account will start the process of permanently deleting your account. You might be prompted to confirm your decision, a standard procedure to prevent accidental deletions, and that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process of removing your account from Surveymonkey. It's a straightforward process, but sometimes just having a guide to walk you through can make all the difference. Whether you're simplifying your digital life or just moving on to different tools, knowing how to properly and securely remove accounts from services like Surveymonkey is an invaluable skill. Remember, it's always a good idea to review and remove accounts you're not using to keep your digital footprint as light as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you.